Welcome to SciTech Info channel, my dear students. In today's class, we will discuss two important theorems, Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. Let us discuss first Rolle's theorem. Look at this graph. So we have got x-axis and y-axis. This is the function of x. Y is equal to f of x. Let us consider the 2 points A, B as the closed interval, and it belongs to the real number. Now, this is continuous on AB. So it is differentiable on AB. This is differentiable on AB. And the condition is f of A is equal to f of B. It means the y value remains the same at A and B. That is indicated by f of A is equal to f of B. And as we already highlighted, A, B are the real numbers. Now, the C exists in AB, right? Okay. Now, the differentiation of C, that is f dash C, is 0. It means the slope of the tangent at any point on y is equal to f of x curve is the derivative of f of x. It means everywhere you can draw the what? The tangent, is it not? So this is the slope, this is another slope. Likewise, you will be getting various slopes, is it not? Okay. Now, when you consider at C, that slope is 0 because dy by dx here, it is parallel to the x-axis. So there is no slope. It means f dash C is equal to 0. What do you mean by that? That is, the slope is 0. dy by dx is equal to 0. Where at C, this is at C. It means it is constant. So, the Rolle's theorem clearly explains there is a slope of the tangent at any point of the graph of y is equal to f of x, and that is the derivative of f of x. What do you mean by derivative of f of x? That is equal to dy by dx, and it can also be represented as f dash x. So this is what is explained, and this particular C, when it is a horizontal, means it is constant. So f dash C is equal to 0. Do you understand? So according to Rolle's theorem, when we have got 2 points in the closed interval and C lies in that point, now there exists a differentiation. Do you understand? And mean value theorem is considered to be the extension of Rolle's theorem. So we can apply the same Rolle's theorem in this graph also. This is another model where A and B, it lies on x, is it not? That is, y is equal to 0. So in that case, you can see there is a f dash C, and here also dash C if it lies anywhere. So it means there is a what? Slope here. Okay, you can put x at C, is it not? So there is a slope. So slope exists where everywhere there is a slope. Here there is a slope, here there is a slope, here there is a slope, here there is a slope. But when you look at this a particular point where f dash C, that is f dash of x at C, is 0. There is, when I say slope is equal to 0, what do you understand from this? It is nothing but the dy by dx is equal to 0 means that point is constant. Do you understand this? Right. Then we'll come back to mean value theorem. Here, see, as I already mentioned, this is an extension of Rolle's theorem. Let us consider the function within the closed interval a, b that belongs to the real number, and it is continuous on ab, then it is differentiable on ab. Then continuous means automatically it is differentiable, is it not? So C exists in AB. Let us consider this graph. Now let me put this A. This point is, that is a function of A, that itself is another point here. So A comma f of A, that is indicated as what? A, capital A here. Similarly B comma f dash B, so that is supposed to be B here. So these are the 2 points. So f dash C, what is this f dash C? That is the differentiated function of f of x at that point C. That is given by f of B minus f of A, whole divided by B minus A. Now the very important point here is, when you draw a secant, you know secant, there is a curve and you can draw a secant here. So the secant connecting these 2 points A and B, is it not? So that is parallel to what? The slope, that is the tangent drawn from this curve. Okay, so these are parallel. So this is a very important this statement with regard to mean value theorem. Do you understand?